I'm Raki and welcome to the session. In this particular session, we will be practicing the exercise regarding articles. So let's begin. The woman whose dash daughter was a politician came to our home. So over here, what will come? Which article will come? Any guesses? So let me tell you. Over here, nothing will come. That means no article will come over here. And the sentence will be, the woman whose daughter was a politician came to our home. The sentence will be like this. So over here, no article will come. Why over here no article will come? Why? It's because after whose, after the word whose, we do not use any article, whether definite or indefinite. Okay. The second sentence. What kind of dash men are you? So over here, which article will come? Tell me, definite or indefinite? A, an or the. Which article will come? Any guesses? Come, I'll tell you. Over here also, no article will come. So over here, nothing will come. So the sentence will be, what kind of men are you? It's the correct and proper sentence. And why? Why we are not using any article over here? We are not using any article over here because after the phrases kind of and sort of, we do not use any kind of article. Okay. So over here also, see, kind of, it's a phrase. So after kind of, there won't be any usage of article, whether it is a, an or the. So the sentence will be, what kind of man are you? The third sentence, I met dash girl in the store. So over here, what will come? Which article will come? Over here, A will come. I met a girl in the store. Why A will come? Because over here, we are talking about a single girl. Okay. So the sentence is, I met a girl in the store. The fourth one, dash site is probably the most important sense. Okay. So what will come over here? Again, over here, no article will come. That means, over here, we will not write anything. Over here, there is no usage, there won't be any usage of a, an or the. Why? Because we do not use any article before the names of 5 senses. Okay, so we do not use any article before the names of 5 senses. And the 5 senses are sight, hear, touch, smell and taste. Okay. So, before these 5 senses, we will not use any kind of article. So, over here, nothing will come. The fifth one, we used to play dash basketball. Over here also, no article will come. Okay. Why? Because we do not use any article before the names of games. For example, basketball, cricket, football, hockey, tennis. So we do not use any article before the names of games. So the sentence is, we used to play basketball, the correct sentence. Sixth one, he returned after dash hour. Any guesses? Which article will come over here? A, an or the? So let me tell you, he returned after an hour. Over here, the article an will be used. And why an will be used over here? Because, see, the word are, the sound of the word are is a sound of a vowel. So, before a vowel, we use the article an. So, over here, he returned after an hour. An will be used. Then, seventh one, we saw some fishing boats in dash Indian Ocean. See, viewers, what actually is the case? With the proper nouns, over here, Indian Ocean is a proper noun. So, with proper noun, we do not use the definite article the. The, T-H-E, is a definite article. And we do not use the definite article the with proper noun. But generally, we use what? The article the before the name of seas, oceans, rivers, days and mountains. So over here, it's the ocean, Indian Ocean. So before this, we'll be using the article the. So we saw some fishing boats in the Indian Ocean. Okay? Okay? The last one, dash Sunday. Before the last was her worst holiday. Now again, which article will be used over here? You will say no article will be used over here because we do not use the definite article the before the names of days, months or season. But in a particular sense, but when they are used in a particular sense, they require the usage of the article the. Okay? Listen again. We do not use or there is no usage of the definite article before days, month and season. But when they are used in a particular sense, then they require the usage of the article the. So over here, the will come. The Sunday before the last was her worst holiday. Okay? Generally, we do not use any article before days, month or season. But here, Sunday is being used in a particular sense. So, we are using the over here. For example, the summer of 2017. Over here, summer is a season and we are using in a particular sense for the year 2017. Okay. So, this was all about the practice of the exercise regarding articles, and I hope you have learned it very well. It's me, Rakhi, saying you all now goodbye and take care.